Now moving on from our 42.7 cab suspension, we now go up to our industrial size machine. It's a 50.8. So it's 5 ton 8 meters, ideal for contractors competing with wheel loaders, heavy duty capacity axles. So it's 5 ton to 8 meters, and it's powered here with an NEF, a Vico engine, 170 horsepower AdBlue. Easy to service, as you can see. Filters are all accessible on the side, starter motor, hydraulic pumps, HST, surrounded again the engine bay by a 70mm renowned Merlo ring of steel. So we come down to the back end of the 50.8, as you can see, a substantial structure, and also with our ladder hitch, and we also bring these here with double rear remotes. And if you look just at the rear here, you'll see the axle assembly, super heavy duty, plenty of lubrication points, very durable, and increased capacity in the braking department with dual servos on the rear axle. So we go back to the standard cab on all of the Turbo Farmer range. You can see easy access, and the roof is also a falling object protection certified cabin. So as we hop inside, we can see that the front windscreen is curved. This improves the visibility when loading at height. It also aids the commercial graded air conditioning system so that the air circulates freely around your cabin, and the air conditioning system in the new Merlos is very, very good. We have an easy, simple forward reverse toggle, neutral, and this is also duplicated on the joystick with forward and reverse on the hydraulic control joystick. Steering wheel is adjustable for easy exit. Cabin's well appointed. Inching pedal, brake pedal, throttle, and diff lock application, just a single button on the left hand side of the floor. The front axle on the 50.8, it's the same axle front and rear. They share dry disc brakes, is common with all Merlo. All these components are all built in-house. Merlo build close on 90% of the machine in-house. All of the rams are made in-house. Axles, brakes, differentials, all built in-house. So that gives them less exposure to shortages of components in the crisis that we've had over the last 3 years. Merlo also developed attachment recognition. Attachment recognition is using this device here on the machine, which connects up and reads the implements on the front. So in the case of loading with a bucket, it knows that the effort exerted on the machine is to provide maximum lift. So it will disable majority of the safety systems so that you can still get the maximum utilization. And then once you've reached a height of 10 degrees or extended your machine's boom, it will now then reintroduce the safety devices with the CDC, where your lights will be green for go, and then amber, and then red when it's on potential tip over point. Merlo don't tip over. They give you the automatic default to retract your boom to retrieve the situation immediately. So there's no delay. So as we mentioned, the CDC is a great benefit for when loading. It's also a very safe situation when you're in the construction business, where you may have a jib that's got a rated hook load of 3.5 ton and your machine is 5. What this does is it recognizes the attachment's capacity of 3.5 ton. It derates the machine so it will lift no more than 3.5 ton to protect your hook and all the people working around it. So that's a very important development and safety. This is where Merlo never ceased to stop looking forward for safety and innovation. Get down to your local Merlo dealer nationwide. They've got the skilled technicians for backup support and service. Merlo designed by a family company. Power farming has been associated for over 20 years. We instilled second to none service in the country. So look down to your local dealer, book a demo, take one for a drive. You drive a Merlo, you'll drive nothing else.